I've been making my own cinnamon rolls for over a year now, and I'll never go back to store-bought. Only 11 ingredients compared to the 34 plus in the store-bought, and these are 30 cents a roll compared to over $1 for the refrigerated dough you can get at Walmart or whatever. So you just need some butter and milk and some flour to start it off. I'm putting the 2 3/4 cup of flour into my mixer here. And then you also need about 1/4 cup of sugar. You need a half a teaspoon of salt, 1 little packet of the instant yeast. If you're not using instant, make sure you bloom your yeast first. You want warm milk, so about 110. So I went ahead and put that in there with the melted butter, 1 egg, and then I'm just going to mix it up with a dough hook until it forms a dough ball. Now I have all the ingredients listed out, like the instructions and everything in the caption, so you can screenshot it easily or save the video for later. But you're just going to mix it up until it looks like a dough ball. And then we're going to sprinkle some flour on the counter. You don't want it too sticky, so if it's too sticky, just add a little extra flour. Just like this, you're going to have a dough ball. Look at that. So easy. See how you push it and it springs back? Perfect. So I'm going to spray this down with a little bit of olive oil, put this in here and cover it and let it rise. I'm just going to leave it there for like 10-20 minutes while I work on the filling. While I'm doing that, I'm going to clean my counter because I want everything clean. You just break out your strong hand. It does a really great job. For the filling, I like to do, like, this is just 3 tablespoons of softened butter with about, with your brown sugar. You need a packed brown sugar. Put it in there. I don't know why it skipped like that, but it's okay. 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. And then you're just going to mash this all up until it looks like a paste, like this. Perfect, right? And then there's so many different ways to do this, but anyway, sprinkle down some more flour. Okay, we're going to roll it out into what looks like a rectangle. It does not need to be perfect, I promise. Use a spatula to smooth it all out, just like this, and then roll it up tightly. Now this part, you can shape this log however you want, and then use some dental floss or fishing line. You're going to cut it in half, and then cut each half into half again, and then each little log will give you 3 cinnamon rolls. Look how perfect that is, like a perfect spiral. So easy peasy, just like this. It doesn't matter if they're all the same size and shape because the kids are going to eat them regardless, okay? So I'm going to cover these and I'm going to put them in a warm place. The oven is not on, but I let them rise for about 90 minutes. And now I'm going to cook them at 375 for about 20-25 minutes. While those are cooking, I'm getting my cream cheese icing going, which is 4 ounces of cream cheese with a couple tablespoons of softened butter, a splash of vanilla, and then we're going to throw in some powdered sugar. And again, the recipe is in the caption, but just mix this up until it looks like a cream cheese icing, just like this. It's almost like magic. See, coming together nicely. It looks kind of like, look at that, so perfect, so soft, and so perfect. So that's all. I just can sit there and play with it. Ice them as soon as they come out of the oven, and boom, you're ready to go. Look how delicious these are. You can put the lid on. They're good on the counter for a couple days. You can put them in the fridge for like 4 or 5 days. They're so gooey and delicious. Please give them a try. You'll never go back.